Hello friends and welcome back to the Radeon channel. So friends, today I will talk about Sapphire Radeon RX 9070 XT Nitro Plus graphics card. So friend, the Sapphire has announced single 16-pin power connector instead of the standard 8-pin power connector, and AMD is leveraging the fact that most RX 9070 cards rely on the older standard as a selling point, and specifically given the recent report the overheating connector on the RTA 5090 graphics card. So friend, clearly some board partners are trying to using triple 8-pin layout on their cards, and the competition is strong, the most attractive and easiest to set the GPU design. So friend, specifically for this graphics card with power requirement of around 300 watt, and the Nitro Plus design feature a hidden connector underneath magnetically attached backplate, and user can easily route the cable there and bend its safety, resulting in a clean design and hidden cable. And Sapphire has confirmed the RX 9070 non-XT has default TPP of 245 watt. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.